Okay.
Okay. Got it. All right. For everybody who is here with me this wonderful morning, we got to miss Omri singing, but let's get into something more serious. Then we'll get to hear Omri singing later. Very importantly, I think there's not many people, so let's keep it casual. However, there are certain points that I will need to highlight to everyone that is very important. First and foremost, let me introduce myself. My name is Ethan Joseph, and I represent AGI as the marketing director. And of course, with all the information with AGI, with me, I'm able to share with every one of you here. And in hope, I can keep it simple, safe, and easy for you to understand what AGI is all about and how AGI is going to assist you in the world of investments, in the world of investing, and in the world where financial markets can prove to be very complicated. However, we simplified all the complications for you so that all you have to do is to invest, get your returns, and continue every single day. All right. Now, before I actually go into the details, I would just like to share the definition of trading. It refers to the act of buying and selling of goods, services, or financial instruments. In our case, we should be using the financial market to gain profits out of the financial markets. I think very importantly, most of us have experiences in the financial market. Most of the time, we have seen our friends, our family members, getting burned in the financial market. Why? Human emotions plays a big part. The next will be listening to friends, all right, following what they have been doing without knowing what it is at all. I think the key thing here is that in the world of investments, things change very fast. News comes in very fast. And of course, there will be technical analysis that is coming in to know when is a good time to enter the market and exit the market. That's where complication sets in, and that's where it makes investments a lot more difficult than it should be. We are here to simplify things. We are here to make investment a lot easier. Okay? And that's where AGI comes in to make things much simpler for you. I'm going to touch on the tools that we're going to use in investments. What are the so many tools that always traders, investors always talk about? We have stocks, currencies, indices, ETF, commodities, derivatives, mutual funds, options, futures, bonds, you name it. There are so many different kinds of instruments that we can utilize to take advantage and gain profits from the market. But as a layman investment or a layman trader or a layman investor, how then do we know what are the tools that we can make use of to help us gain the profits that we are looking out for? Is it difficult? I think it is. Based on my 15 years in the banking industry, I came to realize that there is no single tool that can give us a sure win formula. Okay? That's the key thing, that we are all here in this room to learn more on how we can make it simpler. Long hours spent each day, potential huge capital losses are things that is always associated with day-to-day traders. All right? They always feel that they can take advantage of the market, looking at all the technical charts, hearing all the news, but always failing to make that one particular trade that can give them a huge investment capital gain. So is trading difficult to achieve profits? I will believe everybody in this room will come to realize and agree with me for so many years, even right now as I'm speaking, right? Recession coming on board, interest rate maintaining high, inflation rate is going even higher, US Treasury, 30-year bond yield is at all-time high of 5.02. The US Treasury, coming in to say that they're going to maintain the rates to be even higher till end of the year. So much of the negative news coming in. Now, if you are a day-to-day trader, how then can you take advantage of the market? I know everybody will tell me that they're going to short the market, but which are the positions that you're going to short? You know, how nice if I'm going to ask everybody this question. If I can ask a genie, to help me trade and help me look for the best position to get into the market and extract the maximum profit. Now, which genie am I talking about? It will be AGI TradeGPT. All right. How is that possible? Let me share more of that with you. Are there new ways to trade? Definitely there is. Are there new ways to make sure that our risk management is being covered? Definitely. But before I go into that, let me share a little bit more on the past history for the last 50 years. You come to realize that every 10 years, there will always be a big economic boom. From the 80s, we have the Nasdaq bull run. The year 2000, we have the housing boom. All right. And 2010s, we have the cryptocurrencies bull run, where you can see multiple billionaires, are being mint every minute, and the amount is really monstrous, I would say, humongous. All right. We're not even talking about multi-millions. We are talking about multi-billions being created. Why? That's how economic boom came to help and save the economic world. In 2020s, I believe everybody has heard of artificial intelligence, but it comes with a huge range. There is program artificial intelligence, there is progressive learning artificial intelligence. And the thing that we are going to touch on today is about progressive learning language. Why is that important? I think it's very important. Progressive learning, it's where the system continuously learn, adapt, and maintain new information that is naked, or I would say blinded by human eye, where we are unable to see. And this is where I think everybody has heard of TradeGPT. That's the genie. If you're going to ask TradeGPT any questions, all right, it's definitely going to give you an answer. And in a very professional way, where it has helped everybody to get answers, even writing theses in universities, all right, undetected by professors, and helping students gain straight A's in their exams. And this is the power of TradeGPT. The next thing, the development of AI is as fundamental as the creation of microprocessors. It will change the way people work, and it will change entire industries. And this is not just said by me, it's said by the famous Bill Gates. And this is the era of artificial intelligence. Anybody want to take my photo? AGI Tech wants to take your photo. Okay. All right. So very importantly, if you can imagine how cryptocurrencies can make multi-billionaires, and with each economic boom, the amount is just going to get greater than the previous 10 years, right? Imagine in the world of cryptocurrencies, how much can be made. I want everybody in this room to think, how about the world of artificial intelligence? How much more money is going to be made? For the past 2 years, I think that's where the downturn of cryptocurrencies has arrived, but there is still a lot of money to be made in the world of artificial intelligence. This is the new era, this is the future, and you are at the forefront, all right, of this AGI intelligence, artificial intelligence economic boom, where we are mixing the world of investments into artificial intelligence, combining to bring forward to you a system where there is no any other platform can prove, unlike what we are doing. Can AI replicate and consistently make winning trades? We don't only replicate, all right? Through all these techniques, we create new techniques, all right, by combining all this to find a winning formula while maintaining risk management to ensure all trades are winning trade. Through the live access of all the trades, once you are a member, you come to notice that we don't have many trades within a single day. Why? all the trades that we have done on a single day, went through all the techniques, all the formula, and all the risk management analysis before making that single trade. So you can rest assured that all trades that is made within AGI has undergone all these predictive modeling, risk management, arbitrage strategies. It has went through the entire analysis, techniques, and formula to ensure every trade is a safe bet and definitely a winning trade for you. Okay, live viewing, you can get your sponsor once you open an account. You'll be able to see all the trades that is being done on that given day. Okay, some of the markets that AGI trades in, Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P, all these are famous big indices in the US. It's very big, and that's where we can take advantage because it's liquid. All right, we can enter and exit a position at any one time. We execute live trades, as I have mentioned to you. Now, I have explained to you before I go into the legality and the safety aspect of the company. I have went through with you what happens behind the scene, who we are, what we do, and now the very important part, how safe we are. You can see from this slide, we are incorporated in the United Kingdom. There is only one agenda that why we do that. United Kingdom, the place where all big companies incorporated themselves. Why do they want to be associated with United Kingdom? Reason being because of the capital of England. It has been for a century world-leading financial centers, home to many major financial institutions, well-defined regulatory framework for financial services as well. You can see there's FCA, there's PRA, all these regulatory entities maintaining the high standards, providing confidence to investors, and it has been ongoing for many, many years. All right, and that's the reason why AGI Technologies wanted to be associated with United Kingdom, solely because of the fact that it is home to many big multinational companies, and we will be like them. Okay, below is the contact details. All right, at any one time, if you have friends in the United Kingdom, drop them an email, give them a call. That's where we are incorporated. Okay, next, United States of America, the MSB license, the place where the license is issued by the US Treasury, the place where the safest place to be. Why? It's the US Treasury. Nothing safer than that. We went through a lot of hard work to get ourselves regulated and audited by them in order to be able to get an MSB license. And not just us, PayPal, Coinbase. I think this is the two companies that it might be very familiar with you. All right. They do have the MSB license as well. Handling money is a very sensitive topic, and we want to ensure all our investors that your money is in the safest hands because we undergone MSB regulatory requirements. Okay, so these are the two things, very important in terms of having United Kingdom, because we want to be positioned as one of the biggest MNC companies in the world. MSB license, we wanted to let you know that it's already the safest license that we can get because of the fact that it's from US Treasury. Okay, contact details are here. Feel free, drop them a call, give them an email, and our license are with them. Okay, so I have covered two aspects, the safe part and how your money is being invested part. Third, and the most important part, how is it going to benefit you?